Stephanie Space with Keller Williams Realty in Sparta, New Jersey. We are in 16 Woodside Ave in Newton, New Jersey, which is the heart of Sussex County and has year-round recreation. Let's take a look at what this home has to offer. This home is centrally located to downtown merchants, nearby public and private schools. And don't forget, you can have your entertainer's dream kitchen outside right here in the heart of Newton. If you love what you saw here today at 16 Woodside Ave in Newton, give me a call for a private tour. My phone number is 973-534-0533. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.